Hey you guys, good evening and welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. Welcome to the replay if you are watching the replay. I know it's kind of late, but I wanted to come and do a quick project for you. Goodness, you guys, I do that every single time we go live. Woo! So tonight I'm going to be doing a pillow for you using our inks. And as you come in, please make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I know it's a little delayed, so if I don't say hello to you right away, I will make sure I get back to you. And in the bottom left-hand corners of your mobile devices is a share button. I always greatly appreciate it if you do share my videos. I like to see the comments. I like to see questions. So anything you want to know, just ask, but definitely make sure you say hello to me so I can see you and say hello back. So tonight, like I said, I'm going to be doing a pillow. Now, all of the products I am using tonight are available from Chalk Couture. I'm going to be using our It Was Always You transfer. I'm going to be using, these are our ink mats that we offer from Chalk Couture. We also offer these pillowcases. These are 18 by 18 pillowcases. They come in a set of 2. I'm going to be using our ink, and then I'm going to be using our squeegee. This is our 4-inch squeegee. So, hey Melissa, how are you? Welcome. What I want to do while I'm going to be doing the transfer and talking about a few things, I want you guys to tell me which ink you would like me to use. So this one is called our Shimmering Gold. It's really pretty. It's a gold and it has like a glitter or sheen to it because this project is only going to be one color. Bless you. The next one is our brand new color that we just released, and this is our eucalyptus. So let me know, do you want to see this project in Shimmering Gold or eucalyptus? So we'll see who wins by people's comments, and we'll pick one. If not, I'll just go ahead and pick one when I'm ready to start. So what I'm going to do for this design is I have my pillowcase here, and this I thought, by the way, would be really cute for maybe you know somebody getting married, maybe you put a lot of pillows on your bed. I just thought this would be a really cute project for one of those types of designs. But this is our pillowcase that we offer. Again, it's 18 by 18. It comes in a pack of 2. Obviously, I'm only doing 1. So I'm going to unzip the bottom because that's where you're going to put your insert in. And you can buy inserts. What does the project say? It says, "It was always you." So that's what it's going to say. You let me know what color you like, the Shimmering Gold or eucalyptus. So you can buy inserts on Amazon or anything like that. So you'll just buy those straight from there. But this is what we offer at Chalk Couture. Now this I absolutely love. Now you can put a piece of cardboard inside. You could put, you know, what's that paper called? Wax paper inside if you want. Eucalyptus. Okay, you guys, we got one for eucalyptus. I love our ink mats because this one here fits perfectly inside. So I'm going to peel this backing off, and these are reusable. As you can see, mine probably looks like it's got stuff all over it. It's because I have used this over and over and over again. One side, I don't know if you can hear that, it's sticky, okay? So I'm going to fold it with the sticky side up to go right inside my pillowcase. But this is what I love about this. So you see how it's kind of like wrinkly and you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, that project might turn out bad. It doesn't, because this allows me to smooth this right out, you guys. I'm gonna smooth it so it gives me a nice flat surface to work on when I'm using my ink. Now you can use this. We have two different sizes of the ink mats. The other one is what you use that for, and I've used it in other videos, is if you have smaller projects, if you want to do t-shirts or dish towels, you know, blankets, whatever you want to do. Curtains, you can do things on curtains. So this just allows you to get a nice flat surface. So look at that. I love our ink mats for that reason. And then it's not gonna move. So like when I'm using my squeegee, this is not gonna move. My surface isn't gonna move. So definitely a plus when you're looking to use our inks on our projects. Now, the transfer, like I said, it's called It Was Always You, and we have many, many different transfers. This is the one I'm gonna be doing for you all very soon. It's called Happy Fall, You All. And again, I'm gonna be doing this on a pillow, so how great would that be, obviously, for the upcoming fall decor in your own home. So on the back of each and every one of, excuse me, each and every one of our transfers. So again, if you would purchase this right on my website, it tells you exactly how to use this. It tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store, because all of our transfers from Chalk Couture are silk screen reusable transfers. So for those of you that are new to this and watching, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. But I have seen where you were able to get more. Obviously, I have some. But that's really nice because then you could recreate projects over and over again, use them on different surfaces. Like I could do this on a pillow tonight, and then tomorrow if I wanted to do this on a chalkboard or a piece of wood, I could absolutely do that, okay? So I'm going to grab I'm gonna grab a pen really quick and just write on the back so I know which side is the back of my carrier sheet. And then I'm going to remove my transfer from the backing. So if you have been on my page today, you saw that I have a private VIP group. I have a very special promotion or incentive going on for my customers for this evening. I'm gonna extend it through tomorrow, and I also have a join special that was offered to me. Sorry, I'm trying to get this corner peeled up, and I can't do two things at once. I'm trying to multitask, right? But I have a special join incentive for just my team that was offered. So if you're interested in learning more about that, whether, like I said, whether you want the promotion to just be a customer or whether you want the promotion if you're interested in joining, please let me know. Sorry, you guys. I can't find a corner to peel up. That's really working here. We'll get it. And it's never ever this hard. But let me know. I put a link in there to add you, there we go, add you to the VIP group. So this way you can learn more about those special incentives. So now I'm just peeling my backing, and it's easier, by the way, when you're using the larger transfers to do it this way because you're peeling that backing off. And the one thing you don't want to do, see how sticky that is? The one thing you don't want to happen is you never really want the two, like the sticky side, to go on top of each other. It is so extremely hard to pull it apart, and because these are silk screen reusable transfers, they will stretch, okay? So you want to try to not do that. If it should happen, you need to get it in water right away, let it kind of soak for a few minutes, and then usually you can pull it apart. But if you could prevent it from happening, you want to prevent it from happening because you don't want to stretch your transfer. So now I'm just going to lay this right on top of my pillowcase, wherever I want it. I think I want to go this way just a little bit. So yeah, if you did see that post earlier, like I said, there is a link right in that post if you're interested in learning about the two very special incentives we have going on. The link is right in there to join the VIP group. The only thing I do ask is if you are currently a designer with Chalk Couture, please, I'm just asking, don't request to join it. But if you're interested in joining or learning more and you'd like more information from me, let me know so that you can see that special incentive. And then also I would be happy to add you to our private VIP or private opportunity group so that you can learn more about the opportunity. So really, really awesome incentives that we have going on. All right. So like what I'm doing now is I'm just smoothing this out so that there are no air bubbles within that silk screen area, okay? So for those of you that are new that are on here, I'm gonna say it real quick because I have one, oh my gosh, I have one, look, I just lost my train of thought. One vote for the eucalyptus color. I have shimmering gold or eucalyptus are the two colors that we're gonna decide on to do this project. So make sure you say hello and hurry up and pick a color. We'll wait a few minutes and see if anybody else responds. If not, Melissa, we are going with eucalyptus. Because I can see there are a few of you on here. I don't know if I'm not seeing your posts, and I don't know why. But wait a few more minutes. So just, and again, if you guys ever have any questions, please let me know. I would love to answer those questions for you about Chalk Couture, whether it be shopping, whether it be doing a project, something I've already created. Karen, hey Karen. Karen says eucalyptus too, so we've got 2 for eucalyptus. So I think that's what we're gonna go with because I don't want you guys to have to sit here and wait to see the final design. All right, let's go with it. So at Chalk Couture, we have a line of chalk paste and then our Couture inks. These inks are a permanent ink once they are heat set. This is one of our new colors. I haven't opened it yet, obviously, because there is the tin foil on the top. So I'm just gonna actually wipe that right on there because I don't want to waste any. But these inks are permanent once you heat set them. So you can do it with a heat press or just like I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna make you guys wait through it. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and iron this on both sides for 4 minutes. But if you have one of those heat presses, you can absolutely do it that way. So I think I have enough on there. You know what? Let me do one more scoop just to be safe. I'm gonna take my squeegee. Isn't that a beautiful color? I absolutely love that color. And then I'm just gonna pull it across the silk screen area. So you could do wedding gifts, shower gifts. Like I said, if you're the person who loves all these kind of like throw pillows on your bed, this is gonna be really cute for that. And again, what's really nice is you don't have to just do this on a pillow. If you wanted to make a wall sign, you could absolutely do that. I do need a little bit more. You know, you could do so many different things, and that's what's really great about our transfers is that they're reusable like that, that you can do all different kind of things. You know, you could do things on canvas, you can do things on the galvanized metal that's out there. I love this color. This is a beautiful color. You can make t-shirts, maybe, you know, babies. We can make little onesies. We've got some cute sayings. You can make little onesies. Oh, just a little bit short. A little bit. So a lot of different things you can do this. And again, you can just do it as a customer or you can do it as a business opportunity where you can create things. If you are that crafty crafter and you have your own business, you can totally create this stuff and sell it at local boutiques or vendor shows. So a lot of different avenues you can run this as a business as well. So just reach out to me because it's only $99 and I would love to share that with you. So now I'm just gonna put my squeegee right in the water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove my transfer. Now, Matthew, can you come down here real quick? I'm gonna have Matthew help me because I just want him to hold this down while I peel it up so that you guys can see the fun peel and reveal process. Because that's always the best part, right? The peel and reveal. Hurry up, babe, because I'm doing it live. Here he comes, he's coming. And there he's.
Jump down the steps.
Jump down the steps. All right, can you hold the top of the pillow so I can peel this off for everyone to see? All right, and you can say hello.
Hi.
Hi, Matthew says hello. Hey, Susan, welcome. All right, so I'm just gonna peel this right off of here.
My legs hurt, I jumped on the steps.
Oh, there's a little spot I don't like. Wait, let me put that right back on. Hold on, Matthew, look out, babe. I don't like this little spot over here, so I just want to grab. I didn't like how that turned out right there. That's okay, we can fix it. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now it's on my finger though. There we go, better. All fixed. Got it. All right, pull it up just a little bit, Matthew. Just push up the pillowcase a little bit so everybody can see it. No, babe. Just push it up. Okay, put it down. Just put
like
it down,
this?
babe.
Like this?
No, you're good. Put it down. I need to put this in the water. So now I'm just going to take my transfer and I'm going to lay this in my water for me to clean up. And that is how quick and easy that was to create this beautiful pillowcase. Now, hold on, you guys, because I've got ink on my fingers and I don't want to touch the pillowcase when I have ink on my fingers. So now what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna remove the inside ink mat from Chalk Couture. Love it, isn't it so pretty? I agree, Melissa, I like it too. Thank you so much. And remember, in the bottom left-hand corners, you guys, is a share button. If you wanna share this video, absolutely, please do, I appreciate it. Or if you wanna learn more, you can purchase all these projects right online at my website. And it's also, the link for my website is right in the video. So I'm gonna get parchment paper. I'm gonna put a piece on the inside. I'm gonna put a piece over top of this. I'm gonna iron it for 4 minutes on both sides, and then my design is absolutely permanent. So I'll be able to spot clean this, I'll be able to throw it in the washer and dryer, and I'm not gonna have any problems with my design. So I hope you guys absolutely love this and saw how easy it was to create the design. And hey, Jill, how are you? I hope you got to watch it or watch the replay. Thanks so much. But if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great evening. I know it's getting late, so I will be talking with you soon. And stay tuned for this week for some more fun new projects and some new items coming as well. So have a great evening.
Bye.